リとマカニマコラリポタパピロデリリレバラシワワボロテラベラジョナベイベロラキノレラジャリカマリモカポト
Hey, my man.
Hello, citizens of the world, old friends of Lintel Display,
new friends of Lintel.
I will never forget about you.
Happy holiday!
Happy holiday!
Happy holiday!
Dear Lintel Display's business partners, dear friends, hope you are all doing well. Time flies. New Year is approaching soon. We would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your first support in 2020. This year is tough for everyone because of the COVID, but we are so lucky to have you all accompany with us, help us, and supporting us. Thank you again, and the very best wishes to you and your families. Here, Lintel's team also have a lot of sweet words to you. You see, we have prepared wishes boxes. Inside, there are a lot of best wishes. So let me say, who is the first? It's Barry. Hi. Say hi to customers. Hope all my friends stay safe and healthy. Yes, I will hang it on the tree.
This is from cute Alisa.
I'm here.
Wish you special joy at the holidays and all year.
This is from Shireen. Wow, everybody, Santa is on the way. I hope you have a wonderful new year. Shireen, you are the next.
Hi. Let me pick one. This is from Jane. She says, wishing you all the blessing of a beautiful Christmas. Then Jane, please pick one.
Okay.
This is from Tyler.
This is from Tyler. Merry Christmas. Wishing you all the best.
Tyler. Tyler, may I help you for this?
This is from Daisy.
Okay.
May all your wishes come true.
Okay, it's my turn. Thank you. This one is from Pretty. May the happiness all through the coming new year. Pretty.
Hi, Laura. After you, the last one, here is for you.
Okay, this is my wishes. I wish you a Merry Christmas, all affection and best wishes to you and your families.
Okay, so here we have sent all the best wishes to our customers. Here is just the sales department of the Lintel Display. So in the very best moment, we would like to take all the best wishes on the Christmas tree and keep it eternity.
Merry Christmas! Happy New Year!
圣诞快乐，新年快乐，圣诞快乐，Merry Christmas！圣诞快乐，新年快乐。